Welcome everyone. Today, let me walk you through the complete learning journey of for this 8-week practical GenAI and RAG engineering program for AI Pioneers Cohort 2. The goal of this course is very simple, but the end of 8 weeks you will build and deploy a real AI application. The course is divided into 4 phases. Phase 1 Foundation, Phase 2 APIs and tools, Phase 3 RAG systems, Phase 4 deploy and ship. Over 8 weeks, we will conduct 16 live sessions and you will complete 8 practical deliverables. Everything culminates in a capstone AI application that you can showcase on LinkedIn to employers or use in your own organization. Before we diving into the weekly details, let's look at the overall roadmap. Week 1 starts with Python basics and understanding the AI landscape. Week 2 focuses on prompt engineering, which is one of the highest ROI skills in AI today. Week 3 and 4 introduce AI APIs, LangChain, embeddings, and vector databases. Week 5 and 6 are the heart of the course where we build and improve retrieval augmented generation RAG systems. Finally, week 7 and 8 focus on deployment, AI agents, and capstone project. Notice that every week has a clear outcome. We are not learning concepts for the sake of learning, we are building something tangible every week. Week 1 is designed for people who may have little or no Python experience. In session 1, we cover the Python fundamentals that are most relevant for AI development. You will learn variables and data structure, loops and conditions, functions, file handling, basic error handling. We will also build a small log file analyzer project. In session 2, you will explore the AI ecosystem. We will understand the difference between AI machine learnings, LLMs, and generative AI. We will look at the tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, Olama, and Hugging Face. Most importantly, you will make your first AI API calls by the end of week 1. You will have a working Python that talks to an AI model. Week 2 Prompt Engineering. This week is focuses on prompt engineering. Many people think AI is all about the coding, but quality of prompt often determines the quality of your result. We will cover zero shot prompting, few shot prompting, system prompts, persona based prompting, prompt design best practices. In the hands-on lab, we will apply these techniques to real world IT use cases. You will learn how to structure prompts for reliable output and control responses formats such as JSON, a list, and a list. By the end of the week, you will have a notebook full of practical prompts examples that you can immediately use in your work. Week 3 AI API and LangChain introduction. Week 3 moves us from prompting to application development. You will learn how to integrate AI model into software using AI API. We will cover authentication, API keys, request and response structure, streaming response, conversation history management. Then we will introduce LangChain. LangChain will help build AI applications more efficiently by connecting prompts, model, and output into reasonable workflow. Our hands-on projects will be document question answering chain. By the end of week 3, you will have built a chatbot that remembers previous conversation. Week 4 introduce one of the most important concept behind modern AI application embedding. Embeddings allow us to search based on meaning rather than exact keywords. We will understand what are the embeddings, semantic search, cosine similarity, how AI understand relationships between pieces of text. Then we will cover with vector database, specifically ChromaDB. You will learn how documents are stored as vector and retrieved later for intelligent search. The weekly deliverables is semantic search engines built on your own documents. Let me go to the next slide. This is the most important week of the course. Our primary objective is to build a complete retrieval augmented generation system. RAG combines the power of LLM with your own knowledge source. We will cover retrieval, augmented generation, chunking strategies, context injection, source grounding. Then we will build an end-to-end applications that can answer questions based on real documents. By the end of the week 5, you will have a fully working RAG chatbot running on your own data. Week 6, building a RAG system is only the beginning. Week 6 focuses on improving quality and reliability. We will explore advanced techniques such as re-ranking, hybrid search, query rewriting, large document handling. We will also learn how to evaluate RAG systems. This includes measuring answer quality, detecting hallucination using LLM evaluation. The result will be on more accurate production ready RAG application. Week 7 is where everything becomes visible to the outside world. You will introduce AI agents and tool calling. You will understand a difference between a chatbot and an agent. We will learn AI agent architecture, tool usage, function calling, practical IT automation scenario. Then we will deploy our application using Streamlit. We will publish it on Hugging Face space and make it publicly accessible. By the end of this week, you will have a live AI application that anyone can use through a web browser. Week 8 is all about showcasing what you have built. You will create a capstone project based on your own interest or professional domain. You will spend time polishing the application, improving documentation, and incorporating peer feedback. In the final session, everyone gets the opportunity to present their projects. We will also discuss AI engineering career path, future learning opportunities, certifications, and how continue growing after the course. The final deliverables is complete portfolio project that you can proudly share on LinkedIn and during job interviews. This course of 3-layer learning architecture. Layer 1 is about building quickly and gaining confidence. This includes API, RAG system and AI agents and deployment. Layer 2 focuses on understanding the what's happening behind the scenes. You will learn embedding, vector databases, chunking, transformers, context windows, and hallucination mitigation. Layer 3 is optional and intent for learners who want deeper theoretical knowledge. This includes machine learning, neural network, attention mechanism, optimization, model evaluation. Most professionals become highly productive AI building using 1 and 2. So layer 3 is not covered in our day-to-day course. So it will be, if you want, it is also required a mathematics inside. So it is required, if you want, you have that capability, you can learn by yourself. Final outcome. Let's finish this with the important question. What will you have by the end of 8 weeks? You will have a working RAG chatbot built on your own documentation, a deployment Streamlit web application, a personal AI portfolio project, the confidence to continue building AI solution independently. This course is designed to help professionals move from simply consuming AI tools to actually building AI solution. The philosophy is simple: build first, learn continuously, go deeper progressively. Thank you, and I am excited to see you what you will create during these 8 weeks.